Hi, Jason from Precision Home Inspection here. Wanted to show you something, chimney, and talk a little bit about chimney flashing and that. So from the ground, this chimney and the flashing all looked pretty good. One reason we like to get up and when we can walk any roof and get a better inspection of the chimney and its flashings is because of an issue we saw on this one. So again, from the ground, this all looks pretty good. You can see, there is some step flashing there, and then they've installed a counter flashing over it. As you get to this back side of the chimney, which is hard to see from the ground, again you can see here step flashing and counter flashing down over it. This is exactly what you want to see. Then on a little further investigation, when you get up close here, you can see here's the step flashing here, and it's missing a piece of counter flashing that goes over this. What this can do is basically water or snow buildup can sit against this chimney, or rain can come down the sides of this chimney and basically get in behind the step flashing. You can see I can pull it right out here, and this will allow the moisture to get in behind there, and you'll get a leak at this chimney area here. So it's just something one reason why we like to get up on the roof when we can and get a little bit better view of what we're looking at than just on the ground. But this is also a good example to show you how this flashing is supposed to be done. So basically you can see here you have the step flashing in, and what that means is each piece of flashing is stepped up underneath the shingle above it, so that it allows any moisture that comes down basically will follow this channel here and not work its way back up underneath that shingle. Then what you have here is this is a 90-degree turn, and it's coming up onto the face of the chimney. And then so what you do, the proper way to install this is to go ahead and do what's called counter flashing. This gets recessed into the mortar joint here. Usually mortar or silicone is put in there to help seal that, and then that counter flashing comes down over this step flashing that's underneath there. And then any water that runs down the face of this will actually go over top of the step flashing and then work its way down. But yeah, just so you see here, some missing counter flashing. So we'll recommend that qualified roofing contractor will get up here and just throw a piece on there. It's a pretty minor fix. But again, this is Jason with Precision Home Inspection. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call me at 607-426-6242 or visit my website at www.precisioninspect.com for more great information. Thanks.